How to sending file with password protection. Here I share with you how can we set a password to our file. It make more secure from others can open it. Have two way to set up password to out file. First is using disk utility to set up a password, but only macOS can read that file. The extension file is .dmg. Second is using zip, commonly Windows OS use. This is cross-OS can read protected file. Suitable use to sending cross-OS platform. Don't forget to subscribe and share NBB channel to wide sharing this knowledge. Hope it can assist you to solve a problem. This tutorial is to set a password. Have two way to set it. Protection with zip method. Open terminal on your OS. Find your file location. Maybe you need to create a new folder and then give it the name for that folder. Then, drag that folder into the terminal. You can change the directory by using Command-CD, and then drag your folder here. Press the Enter, and then it will compress it. Now, you can check your file. Just press LS for the list of the file. You want to compress it by typ zip and then name.zip to the original name file. The most important thing is the first name you need to put as compression file name with .zip, and then referred file to the origin of the file name with double quotation. Enter the password, then verify the password. So, now the computer process and then your file is secure. Now try to open that file so your file name. We have to enter a password to open it. Second way is using this disk utility. Open disk utility. Click File, New Image, Image from Folder. It will display a dialog box. set the name with the .dmg extension file. And then, most important step is to set encryption type 123 to set your password. Set your password and verify it. Set compress or compression or read or write. So now, you are finished setting the password to your file. That file will have a .dmg extension file. This file can only be read by macOS only. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, NBB channel. Thank you.